This is numbers 1 and 2 in the Unit 6 Test Study Guide. Number 1, you're asked to find the measure of arc BC. Well, in order to find that, we need to know what x is. To find x, notice here that segment BA is going on both sides of the circle, and it runs through point P, which means this has to be a diameter, which means that this has to be 180 degrees right here. So, if you take your two angles inside here, we know that together they have to equal 180, that straight line. So we have 4x plus 3x plus 26, and together those would equal 180. Now we'll clean this up. 7x plus 26 equals 180. Then you're going to subtract, so 180 minus 26, and we're going to get that 7x is equal to 154. Divide both sides by 7. Hold on just a second. And x is going to equal 22. Now that just gives me the value of x. Now we need to find the arc measurements. Well, to find this arc measurement, this arc has the central angle of 4x, which means whatever this is, the arc will be as well. So if we do 4 times this x, 22, that's 88 degrees inside here. If this is 88 degrees for the central angle, the arc has to be the same as well, because the arc and the central angle will have the same measure. So arc BC is 88 degrees. Then we'll do the same with AC. With AC, we'll plug it in. So you're going to do 3 times 22 plus the 26, and that's going to get you that this measure is 92 degrees, because again, if the central angle here is 92, so is its arc, because the arc and the central angle will be the same measure. So what we did, we added these together, set them equal to 180 to solve for x. Once we had x, we plugged it in to both of these angles to get our central angles. Once we plugged it into both of these, then we knew what our arcs were measured at, because the central angle and the arc have the same measure. Now, let's look at this one over here, number 2. In number 2, if you'll notice, we've got 2 vertical angles. That means that these vertical angles have to be congruent, which means their measures equal each other. So 4x minus 5 will equal 2x plus 65. And now we're going to solve for x. We'll subtract 2x from both sides. We'll add 5 to both sides, so 2x is going to equal 70. We'll divide both sides here by 2, so x will equal 35. And then we're ready to plug it in, because it wants to know the measure of arc AC. Well, if we plug this in to AC, the central angle here, we would have 4 times 35 minus 5. When you do that, you're going to get 135. That means our central angle here is 135. Its arc will be the same, 135 degrees. And if this is 135, so is this, because these are vertical angles. Vertical angles would be congruent. So if this is 135 degrees, so is the measure of BD, because again, the central angle and its arc will have the exact same measure. So both of these answers are 135 degrees.